Alright guys, Paul here giving you a quick video. What I was planning to do this morning is I've been changing the aero on my Limitless. I've been doing a few bits and changes to the suspension as well, firming it up and stuff. And it had no damage after the crash you seen in the video, the 100 mph one. So I wanted to do a couple of mild speed passes, maybe sort of about 80 mph, sort of 85ish, just to make sure everything was alright to give it a go. But with this lockdown and it being a really sunny day, the problem is everybody's on the road that I run. They're all cycling, walking, etc. And I can't really, well, I could do a run because there's no cars, but I'm a bit worried with all the people. If something does go wrong, if my car crashes off the road, hits a kid or somebody or something like that, it's not really worth the risk. So I'm going to wait till it quietens down to get that done, but the car's ready to go. But since I can't do that, I've done a bit of work on my Traxxas UDR as well, which I'm planning to get a new body for soon. There's a sort of tongue twisted pro line pickup truck body I'm quite interested in getting in spraying, so I'm going to change that at some point. But other than that, the car seems to be running beautiful for a change. The last few times I've had it out, it's been fantastic. When I first got it, it was really annoying. It just seemed to break all the time, but I've got all the issues kind of ironed out hopefully now, and so far it's given me no hassle since. So normally I've got my sort of bing area where you see me the jumps and all the gravel and things, but I'm getting kind of bored of that just now and kind of limited where to go. So I'm just going to do a little field run over here, just a little play about before I go home, and yeah, hopefully it'll be fun to watch. But I'm just kind of excited to get a wee shot of the car again today, so a lovely day for it. But we'll get the video up, hopefully you enjoy it, and if you do, like and subscribe, click the bell and all that kind of stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one.